Hi my loves, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. As you can see, I'm so into holiday season. That's why my Christmas tree is still in my tutorials. So let's get started with super easy bubble hairstyle. So begin by making a parting, and then you want to select a small section from one side of the parting and tie it, creating a ponytail. But the last time, make sure to pull your hair only a little bit through, like I'm showing, and then you want to tuck it into the same elastic the ends, making sure to create a double bubble ponytail. I hope that this makes sense. Then we want to select our crown section and repeat the same steps. Now we want to grab the hair left from another side of the parting and repeat this bubbles ponytail again. Then we want to grab all the hair left and make underneath the same ponytail. Now we want to fan out our bubbles and pin them upwards, creating a nice voluminous shape of the bun. So we have 4 total. Make sure to pull the hair on the crown to make it fuller. Pin it in place, pin all them in place, creating a nice shape of every bubble. You want to hairspray to fix it in place. I decided to accessorize it with some crystals, like so, and we are done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this updo from bubbles. If you enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, and you know I love you so much, and see you soon. Bye.